Hi, my name is Rohit. I'm for Sushir India as lead corporate sales. Introducing the Sushir India for the well-known for land development projects. As such, we have already done a project called Timberleaf. Not in Srisalam Highway, it's on the Bangalore Highway. As such, a drive of 20 minutes would take you to the project of Timberleaf. A project just beside a 10,000 acres of greenery, where the pollution control board is back of everyone, asking for Vinayak Nimarjan not to be getting polluted. As such, we are just beside the pollution-free area of 10,000 acres of golf course, everything across. As such, this project was started in 2008 across and got constructed with all 123 villas just across, due in painting, plumbing and sanitary. As such, one would be taking this market as an opportunity, not as a disaster, as taking as an opportunity. Definitely they can make this as a tool to negotiate the price for getting the best product, which is before airport in this Hyderabad. As such, the benchmark of Hyderabad is now moved to Shamshabad, standing example as international airport. As such, this project is much before the Shamshabad, standing alone as the only project with this percentage of completion. As such, tomorrow it would be the next hot spot, as I can say directly, a landmark of Hyderabad, coming across to the international airport, a nearest residential project which is approved by all government authorities. And across, on top of everything, this project is being approved by all banks, especially SBI, which is the top and the clean green bank, as everyone would prefer to go with. As such, this has been approved by SBI Bank, and you can go for a loan of 85%, paying only 15 to 20% margin money to get this property on your name. Taking this as an example and a strategy of a negotiation tool, make this market as an opportunity to negotiate, to make this your dream of being in a villa in a gated community of a 40-feet road with a 35% of villas and 65% of amenities, roads, greenery, everything in a project where your dream definitely will come true. Thank you.